Need to get data from a website into your code? Manually copying tables is a time consuming process and prone to errors. Thankfully, the Pandas library in Python provides a very handy function for the same pandas.readhtml. It helps us in extracting tables from an HTML page and converting them into Pandas data frames, ready for analysis. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the pandas.readhtml function to make web scraping easy and efficient.
We'll now see how to take the HTML files and convert them into data frame. I've considered a website page from Wikipedia and just got a few tables. To do that, we first take the URL from the website and then we use the code pd.readhtml and pass in the URL and then print the table. And now we can see that all the tables in the Wikipedia page are printed here. To know the type that is printed here, we use print type of the tables and it gives out as list. But we know that data frame format would be more convenient to perform many operations. And we do that by passing square brackets and the number of the nth table which we want. So if we consider this is the first table. To print that, I'm using 1 and which will see the format of this. So the class is data frame, so it's converted. If I want to see the data frame, I can just check this by data frame. So yeah, it's successfully converted into data frame format. The match function is used to obtain only the required set of tables. If we are dealing with a lot of tables and we want some specific things according to the given text, which is used as a formatting tool. Here, so let's consider match as social group. In social group, we can see that there are two tables over here. So this is the first one and this is the second one. To print this, I'm using tables after the conditional match as social group. We're printing it. So the first table is printed. And if I want to print the second table also, which is under the social group match, it can be printed as follows. So index column and header are again few more features of the same. In index column, we change the index. Like here, the first column is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But what if I want to give the index as the first column itself? We use index call and pass it. Then we can see that it's changed. So the state or UT is the new column of the data frame. It just enhances the way it is displayed. And with header, we can change the column name. Like here, the column names is state or UT census and NSO survey first and state or UT and all these things the second. But if I want to use the first column as my main column, I can just pass header equal to 1 and then it will be printed.
Some important key features of Pandas read HTML are IO. It can be a URL or a file path which specifies where HTML table is located. Second is match case. Third is flavor. It specifies the HTML parser which we want to use. Fourth is header. Fifth is index call. Sixth is skip rows. We can skip specified number of rows using this. Seventh is attributes. It filters the table in the HTML by using specific attributes. Eighth is parse date, which converts the columns into datetime format. Ninth is converters. It is a dictionary which applies custom functions to columns. Tenth is NA values. Here we can change the representation of NaN into anything that we want. So for further reading, we can refer to this official website. It has more key features.
And that's how you extract tables from websites using pandas.readhtml. The parameters covered here were match for filtering tables, index call, and headers for better structuring. With other more features, it becomes a quite useful tool for tasks such as research, data analysis, and financial reporting. Its flexibility and ease make it a useful tool for anyone dealing with web data. Thank you.